Hello. Welcome to Let's Draw. Today we will be drawing uh, um, barn animals. So you really wanna, so first of all, you're gonna want some grid lines, because it's all about, drawing's all about the math. So here we go. From this coordinate, we're gonna draw a straight line. Okay. And with that straight line, we're just gonna really shape it out. I'm just gonna go for it here. Of course you need a tail, so there you go. And of course you want to stay with the whole four-legged animal. If you can't tell, I'm gonna give him an eye. If you can't tell, this is a horse. I'm gonna give him some teeth. And you can turn off the grid lines. As you can see, it's really coming together. Yeah, that's episode 1. Thank you for watching.